Hey guys, you are fantastic. It's awesome to have such a really great audience on the channel. We have already hit the initial funding goal for Forged in Snow, my new book on Finnish small arms, which means now we are off to the races for some pretty cool stretch goals. So if you want to head over to the Kickstarter page, I've actually got a link down below in the description text. You can check out the cool stretch goals that we have up and coming, as well as all of the different pledge levels and options. We have some really cool posters that we're doing alongside the book, as well as, of course, that Kickstarter exclusive white cover that I think is really cool. And by the way, judging from the pledges on the Kickstarter campaign, you guys really like that white cover as well, because it is the overwhelming majority of pledges for the book so far. So I'm also excited to see a whole bunch of Finns in the pledges. It's really cool to have you guys in as well. I know there are some books on Finnish small arms in Finnish, but there aren't really a whole lot of really good ones that are readily accessible. And I am confident that Forged in Snow is going to be a fantastic resource for you guys, for the stuff that you have used in your own military over the past 100+ years. Anyway, great to have you guys along for this ride, and it's only just beginning. So if you haven't seen the Kickstarter yet, check it out. The link is in the description text, and I will see you over there. Thanks.